How to fix can't install Samsung browsing app download problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to your settings application from your device. You will see a page like this. Under here, tap onto apps and search for Google Play Store. As you do so, under Usage, tap onto Storage and clear the cache. Now come back, and here you will see Force Stop. Tap onto Force Stop, then tap on OK. Once you have done that, under Defaults, tap on to Set as Default and make sure that you have toggled on Open Supported Links. Now as you have done that, let's head over to our Play Store. Now at this page, tap onto your initial on your top right. Then here go on to Settings. Then tap on General. Under here, tap on Network Preferences. Tap on App Download Preferences and make sure that you have toggled on Over Any Network. As you do so, your Play Store will download application even if it's not connected with your Wi-Fi. Tap on OK. Then tap on Auto Update Apps. Tap on Over Any Network. Then tap on OK. Do the same for Autoplay Video. Then tap on OK. Now restart your device and this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.